And there is another significant hadith, same hadith, but in a different narration, different words, which explains another important matter which is taken as precautionary measurement now. You know, the governments, the China has adopted the same practice of isolation, quarantine. Italy adopted the same, and now step by step all other countries, they are adopting the practice of quarantine. Quarantine and isolation. Isolate the people who have already been affected and who are already affected by this virus, who are suffering from this virus. Isolate them. They should go into isolation so that this illness or this virus is not transferred to other people. This treatment or this measurement, precautionary measurement which has been taken now, was given by the Holy Prophet sallallahu alaihi wasallam 1400 years ago. 1400 years before, when nobody knew about this whole phenomenon of transferring the virus from one person to another and how this thing takes place, what precautionary measurements should be taken. Nobody knew about that. Nobody had a clue about that. At that time, 14 centuries before, Holy Prophet sallallahu alaihi wasallam said this. Again, I am quoting the words of prophetic hadith from Sahih Muslim, the chapter of plague. Holy Prophet sallallahu alaihi wasallam said, and he narrates it from Usama bin Zaid radiyallahu ta'ala anhu. He said, Holy Prophet sallallahu alaihi wasallam said, فَإِذَا سَمِعْتُمْ بِهِ بِأَرْضٍ, as I have already quoted, whenever you hear about this plague or this virus has outbroken in any place, فَلَا تَقْدَمُوا عَلَيْهِ, do not go into that land. Do not enter into it. وَإِذَا وَاقَعَ بِأَرْضٍ وَأَنْتُمْ بِهَا, and if you know that it has already outbroken in a particular city or particular country, and you are present there, فَلَا تَخْرُجُوا مِنْهُ, don't leave that country, don't leave that city, don't go to other places where this virus is not already existing. Here Hazrat Abu Nadr narrates this hadith of Holy Prophet with these words. He said, لَا يُخْرِجُكُمْ إِلَّا فِرَارٌ مِّنْهُ. لَا يُخْرِجُكُمْ إِلَّا فِرَارٌ مِّنْهُ. Nothing should take you out of that place. He said, if there is plague, this virus has outbroken, you should not leave that place to other places. And the word of this hadith are that nothing should take you out of that place except for quarantine, except for isolation. La yukhrijukum illa firarum minhu. You should not leave that place. You should not enter to other cities. You should not travel to other places for any reason except illa firarum minhu, except one reason, and that is if you are going towards isolation. If you isolate yourself from other people, you cut off your physical or your bodily contact with other people, and you are going to quarantine, this would be safer for you as well as for other people. So this precautionary measurement was given and commanded by Holy Prophet sallallahu alaihi wasallam, and this hadith which I have quoted now with these particular words is number 2218 in Sahih Muslim, chapter of Ta'un.